Okay, that junction, that Barak junction.
This area is Kurudu Primary School. As how we wake up early in the morning, so people talk about they want to do protests for this junction, around the junction. So before the protest starts, and we see different securities, which is include police, civil defense, civilian detail, and different securities that they come, they say no any kind of protest. So as we in Nigeria now, we work to this fuel, back to that fuel subsidy. This fuel subsidy is our main theme, our main reason what make this protest start. Because this fuel subsidy, now him bring all these things, all goods now, food is very scarce and is very high. Now, some people they die because of hunger, I swear. But our president say may give one time. This time, almost 1 year is never okay for him. The time what he look our subject matter, is supposed to look this subject matter now. We want this fuel, I beg our Mr. President, look this subject matter about fuel subsidy. Well, due to this kind of fuel now, we buy fuel for black market. This one we buy fuel 857, 880, 900 somewhere. So how much you can carry passenger 150, 200, 50 naira? How you can gather the money even you use to buy fuel, and you come out the balance. This KK is for the company. We go pay balance, daily balance, which is 7.5. So as how fuel is going now, we don't get anything. Just we don't suffer for this country. Guys, this one, we too, we don't want protest, because protest bring more kind of problem in our country. Because we are Nigerian and we want our country develop. But as how this one, I will say something. It's supposed to, this one, I think now reach 1 year when Tinubu will get that seat. Reach 1 year. It's okay for him now to back fuel subsidy. He didn't say that before he carry him up. He said go down, never reach 1 year. And now people, they are very suffer.
The thing was too much today, because I can see how people came out. They showed they're aggressive because of the problem in the country. People are jobless, no food. Empty apple that they are selling, they were selling 50 naira. It's now 200 naira. Nothing you can even lay hands on. The thing is too much. The only thing that our government should do something, especially for this fuel, let the fuel come down. Once the fuel come down, other things will be okay. People are dying. Let the government know how to reach out to everybody. Let them talk to them. They are like all this, their chief. Let them call them and tell them that this is what the government said. The government said that it will do something, that everything will be okay. Because I don't know, once they say government, president has spoken, has promised that he's going to do something about the situation of everything. I don't know why people are still come out and be fighting. When I came back, I was coming, there was no protest in Jikoi, in Karu. But when I was coming, we were about to reach this block industry. I saw people started, they were burning tire and turning back, and there was, in fact, today one was serious. Even more than, just like the way it happened on Thursday. Even inside our house, the reflection of the tear gas, we could not even breathe there. It was too much. We are pleading that let not people continue to die like this. All the young people, even the one they started on Thursday, many people die. That the government should look at it, that these people that are, it's not good that the country is like this. For how long is this shooting, killing of people? Like since Thursday, this our country has not been in peace. People are just dying anyhow. The government should look at it very well and do something. Because one government do something, if this fuel come down, other things will come down too. Please, we are begging in the name of God, Christ, that died for us. We are begging government to do something, to hear the crying of the people are dying. People are dying. Even before this one happened, people are dying of hunger. Government should do something about it.
In Kurudu, we are doing peaceful protests. Some people from somewhere, from Maraba, they are coming here to collect people phone, to steal. They are the people that are part of the protest, but some of them don't come for the protest, they come to steal. They are collecting people phone. And they burn tire, they stop them to burn tire. This Tinubu government, we are not enjoying it. Because everything now a lot is, the price of the things is increased. And the price increase. And they see quantity of the thing, they see low the quantity. Because the thing, the way the thing take there before is no, now this each one is 200 naira. And before we are buying it